In this video, I want to show you how you can set up a new strata plan within the fire compliance. So let's say you are either first creating these records or you want to change a record. These are the steps you need to follow. Every strata plan in your business must have a record in here if you intend to use Merlo to manage the fire compliance process. So when you come into the settings section from the AFSS compliance section, you click on the add button. So over here, you need to put your strata plan number. I'm going to say 2604, that's a strata plan. So just put the number there. It's alphanumerical. The next one is the compliance due days, due in days. So this is the number of days that you want to trigger this process for your annual inspection. So when you're doing annual inspection, you want Merlo to start the inspection process 4 months or 3 months or whatever. You can give the date. So let's say 3 months, I'm going to put 90. And approver email is if you have someone in your business that you want this approval go to. So that's something you can do internally. You don't have to put it there. It's just it's a nice to have, right? So I'm going to leave it blank. Local council, same story. You can put the local council. We still draft the letter, then you can populate it once we draft the letter. Building manager, same story. When we are sending the email, you can populate whatever you want because we draft the email. All you need to do is if something's missing, just put that. Now we come into the interesting ones. So the inspection flag over here, inspections monthly, quarterly, biannual, and annual. By default, as you know, most strata plans have to do, if you're in New South Wales, all of them almost have to do an annual fire inspection, like that's the AFSS process. But some buildings you need to do monthly, quarterly, biannual. So Merlo uses this to generate those inspection reports in the front end. So if I actually go and open this in a separate window, you see all these frequencies different. These are different inspections that every strata plan has to do. So that's why we have them listed like that. So let's say this strata plan, I want to do inspection annual and I want to do quarterly, right? So I decided. Then inspection request. Look, this is something that we automatically draft the letter, draft the emails and take this process. We come and remind you that this needs to happen. So this is where we keep track of these things on behalf of yourself. So I'm going to say I'm doing the inspection quarterly. So I want to definitely send out an inspection request to the contractor, relevant contractor on this time, requesting a request. And the other one is inspection reminder. As you know, a lot of contractors or strata managers don't always follow up on their monthly, quarterly, that kind of a fire inspection. They forget. This is where Merlo keeps track of them. Merlo will draft those emails and remind you, hey, this needs to be done. Then AFSS due date. This is your annual due date. What's the next due date when you're creating? Let's say I'm going to create something. I'm going to say 9th. Right, that's the annual one. Monthly inspection optional, like I don't have to put them. And the last inspection, I'm gonna say, right, I did it whatever the date, and you can fill in depending on what you have. So I'm gonna say save. So when I save that, this is what the system do. So the next time when Merlo runs the process, Merlo will always check this record and go, right, for this guy, do I have to create another record in the system? So I need inspection record in the system so I can keep track of this process. So instead of you having to manually go and send emails and stuff like that, Merlo will actually help you tracking it. Merlo will alert you every week saying, hey, you got these 3 coming up, you have this is missing, and likewise. So that's how the settings page is designed to work. I hope you find that helpful. If you have any questions, reach out to us via support@merlo.ai. I'll see you in the next one.